$20,000 from Ottawa? Wow, is this really possible? Is our government giving money away? Hello, my name is David So. I have spent the last 27 years in the mortgage industry to find creative ways to save my clients money and to make them money. In 2010, I was ranked top 50 mortgage broker in Canada by CMP magazine. In 2012, I was ranked top 75 mortgage brokers in Canada by CMP magazine. In 2015, Award of Excellence by Merrick's Financial Canada, one of the leading non-bank mortgage lender. I'd like to share with you a little inside secret on how to get $20,000 from Ottawa. This is not a scam. However, not everyone qualifies for this program. Many of those who would qualify do not know this program exists. For those who may know this program, many don't know how to take advantage of this. You may have heard of this phrase, knowledge is power. This statement is only partially true. Most people can only quote the first part of the phrase, when in reality, power is the application of knowledge. In other words, knowing is not enough. You need to understand how to apply it. This is what sets the professional apart from the rest. On the surface, this is the so-called home buyer plan set up by our government. First-time home buyers are allowed to use up to $25,000 of their RRSP money toward the purchase of the house. Most people, buyers, realtors, and mortgage lenders would stop using this program if the home buyer does not have any money in their RRSP. Whether you have money in your RRSP or not, remember, the goal is to have Ottawa send us $20,000. To qualify, you must be 1. First-time home buyer. 2. Buying a home within 1 year. 3. Have RRSP contribution limit available. 4. Minimum of 35% tax bracket. Now, here are the steps. Purchase yourself $25,000 worth of RRSP. 2. File your income tax as soon as possible. 3. Wait for your tax rebate. It is that simple. You can easily take advantage of the RRSP rules that are already in place. If you are at the 40% tax bracket, you should get $10,000 back as a tax rebate. But I can hear this. Wait a minute. It is not that simple. As a starter, where do I get $25,000 to buy my RRSP? Well, there are different solutions for different folks. Some may have money stashed away in their mattresses. Some have grandma that can easily lend them $25,000. The first step really is to get $25,000 somehow. Okay, I hear you. You have no money under the mattress, and you have not been nice to grandma. Well, there is still another way. If you have a good job and good credit, you can easily go to your bank and get a RRSP loan. This is often a no-brainer for your banker. They will loan you the money, and they hold on to the same money in the form of RRSP. So when you leave your bank, all you have are just two pieces of paper. One paper said you owe them $25,000. The other paper said you have $25,000 worth of RRSP. It is the RRSP paper that's important. With this paper, you can file your income tax return to claim for the extra tax rebate. If you recall, at 40% tax bracket, $25,000 RRSP would generate $10,000 tax rebate. If you file your taxes early, say on early March, you most likely will get your $10,000 in April. By the way, if you are in a higher tax bracket, of course you'll get more money back. The rebate really is based on your tax bracket. Great. We can get $10,000, but I now owe $25,000 loan that I have to pay back. Here is another way to take advantage of the home buyer plan. As long as you are buying a house, remember we said earlier that you must be buying a house within 1 year. As a first-time home buyer, you are allowed to use $25,000 from your RRSP. Most people are mistaken that you can only use this money toward the down payment. In reality, there are no rules on how you use this money. In fact, this is the key to our program. You can take this RRSP money out as a first-time home buyer, go back to your bank, fill out Form 1036 for the first-time home buyer withdrawal, take out the $25,000. The next step is very important. Use it to pay off the loan. You may owe them a few dollars for the interests. For example, $25,000 at 8% is about $5.48 a day. A 90-day loan would be approximately $500. This exercise is a creative way to get you $10,000 from Ottawa. You get $10,000 check as a rebate, and the RRSP loan is paid off as a first-time home buyer withdrawal. I'm sure you have at least one more question for me before I go. How do we get $20,000, not just the $10,000 we have been talking about? Well, the amount you get back from Ottawa depends on the contribution and your tax situation. If your income is high enough to support a $50,000 RRSP contribution, then there should be no doubt that you may get back $20,000 as tax rebate. In fact, I have seen many big rebates like it. We can also look at another scenario, as in the case of two people buying together. If both are in similar income tax situation, then both would qualify to get $10,000 each. That would be $20,000 total rebate. The purpose of this video is stimulate your thinking. Knowledge is power. Power is the application of knowledge. Before you go out to do any of the above, I would strongly advise you speak to your tax accountant and your tax lawyer. If you would like to talk with us, please email or call for a consultation. We will be happy to tailor a perfect scenario for you.